So first thing that you're going to do, open your CX File Explorer. Navigate to your local page. Open MineStorage. And in here, I have this FTP directory. And then go to Network. Now click on Access From. And in here, click on Start Service. Now you have data to access your phone FTP server. So now I'm going to show you how to access this file system from your PC. So if you are using Linux, open your FileZilla and use that data you just received from your phone in order to access your FTP server. So we have address 192.168. This is local IP address on my network. 0.24. Username is PC. Password is 113865 and port number is 2983 and type enter. Okay, so in here I have this directory device, and if you open this directory device, you are going to get to your local storage on your phone and look for FTP. You see, now we have opened that FTP directory on your phone. Now I have this directory with images I have been using with my YouTube channel, and I'm going to copy these two to my phone, just like this. And you see, now we have on my phone these two images. And now I'm going to show you my phone in order for you to see what we have in here. So we are back on my phone, and now I'm going to stop this service. We don't need it anymore. I am going to back to local page, MineStorage, and I'm going to look for FTP. Yes, and we have two items, these two images. So this is a really simple thing to do and very useful. So that's all for now, guys. See ya.